the little chickens in there.
Oh my god, that's a big owl.
Look, Tiki, get the owl. See, that's why Tiki was barking. Yeah, you're a good girl. I don't know. Hey, how'd you get in there? What is that water running? Where's the water running? I know, but shouldn't it be off by now? They're off switch to this water. Wait, hang on, let me come in there with you, because we don't want chickens getting out. Okay.
I don't know how the hell we
I
got
did.
this thing out of here.
I think. Okay.
I don't even know how the hell it got in. What's this netting over everything?
Yeah. How did the owl get in here?
I don't know where the hell it came in at.
Look at this. There's netting.
So who has to go in that chicken coop to fetch the eggs?
Huh? Oh, there's eggs in there?
I don't know, but it's all...
Hi, baby chickens. You guys okay?
Mr. Owl.
Yeah.
I don't know how you're gonna get out of here now. I don't even know how the hell you got
Yeah.
in here.
How did it get in here? Oh, look right here, maybe. We should probably patch
This
this
thing
hole.
will attack you also, you know. You
What?
gotta be careful with this
I
thing.
know. Is it have a hurt wing or is it okay?
I'll open
Okay, you open the door. I'll try to chase it out. Look, what did... Oh my God, look. It killed a bird? What is this?
Did it kill something?
Oh my God. Look at it. It's been eating this. What is this?
Looks like a bird.
This is just a regular bird. Here, maybe throw it out. Maybe it'll chase it out. Here, owl. Here. Here. Hey, you want it? You want it? Want the bird? Oh, no, it doesn't want the bird. Okay, look, here. Here's a bird for you. Come here. Come here, owl. There's a bird. No, not for you, Tiki. Oh, no, the dog just ran away with it. Oh, darn it. Oh, it's not for you, Tiki. Okay. Go get the...
If you need a stick kind of,
Like a stick?
yeah, to kind of nudge it. Here's one right out here.
Okay.
Kind of nudge it along.
Okay, Mr. Owl.
Well, I don't think he likes you.
Okay, don't bite me. Okay. Oh, he's staring at me. Okay. You can go. Go on. No, don't bite me. Okay, okay. Yeah. Yeah, you can go. Can you go? Wow, this is big. This is heavy. Wow, okay. Okay. I think the chickens are afraid of the owl. Okay. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Mr. Owl.
Come on, let's go. This way, no. Yeah, okay. This way. Okay, okay. Okay, no. The door's that way. Come on. Okay, no, no, no. Door's that way. Door's that way. No. Door's that way.
Out you go.
Come on. Here, yeah, you guard that way. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Go out.
You're almost out.
No,
almost
no,
out.
no, no. You're almost out. There we
There you
go. Yay, bye. Wow. Goodbye. Okay, Tiki ate the bird. Okay. Oops.
Well, the dog's been fed.
Okay. Okay, you guys are safe. Okay, look, those poor chickens are so hungry now they're eating. Okay, you guys can eat now. Well, anyway, I guess that little hole that needs to be dealt with in the cage.
I guess it's
You're safe now.
Just sitting up there.